Albania is filled with surprises, right?
No, depends.
It depends. And for me, my surprise is I met you here today,
Yeah,
and you do so much. You do marketing.
yeah,
You have a business locally.
yeah,
You have employees.
yeah.
Why in Albania?
Because we have the quality of the employer is better than abroad. Actually, uh, for what you pay, you have more. How can I say it?
You get way more value.
The professions of value are more higher than in other places, and it's not only what you pay because the salary are not low, are higher, but in Albania, what I see different from Europe, I'm saying, it's that the youngers they want to work.
More ambitious.
Yeah, and something that I see in Europe, they stop working or they don't want to work anymore.
Interesting.
You know, they want just everything easy, but it's
The United
impossible.
States is the same way, bro.
It's impossible.
Especially the younger generation, they have very little ambition,
Yeah,
and they're not hungry.
yeah.
They just want to play.
Yeah, they want just that small salary or the salary they decide to have it, you know, and after that they wanna stop it with the work and enjoying their life and doing everything. But what they pretend and what they want is different because they pretend too much without doing too much. So when they ask me, how did you get here when I'm now in my position?
Okay.
I says that before I worked with 3 works in the same day. So I was a director of a company.
Okay.
I was a manager of 7 companies, and I was the owner of my own club. And in the same time, I was creating my own studio. So
On the back end.
four different things in 24 hours. Can you imagine? And I work a lot to get where I am.
Yeah.
And I even now that where I am, I'm not obsessive because I want more. It's more work. I
For
want to work more, more, and more.
so having a business in Albania to me sounds like it's a very strategic investment because you're investing in the people,
Yes.
and because you're investing in the people make your business, so your business.
Not only that, but Albania, it's a new development country.
Okay.
So we need to think that Albania, okay, it's 30 now. It's 30 years in democracy, more than 30 years, but in reality, the democracy started in 2000. So the first 10 year of the democracy
It's
was a
transition.
mess
Yeah.
because changing from 50 year of dictator,
Dictatorship. Yeah.
yeah, and after you need a time to change your kind of life, to
Oh, yeah.
change what you believe, you know. So you need to think that in 50 year you was thinking that God doesn't exist or human rights doesn't exist in the way he was they was giving to you information, you know. I need to go.
Yes, sir.
But it was pleasure to speak with you.
Pleasure. Do you want me to blur your face, or are you okay with
But
showing your
it's
face?
no problem.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Hey, brother. So I'll give you my social media, so maybe you can see some of these clips.
Okay.
Yeah.